Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and it is it is time to start recording with our new our new our obviously new our new radar. We are going to do a future forecast #1. Welcome back to future forecast #1. Let us get started with this. So the first place I will check out is actually going to be Arizona for our future forecast. Sorry about the roads. Just got to turn it back to satellite. Whoops. Got my hand stuck real quick. We are going to do Arizona. Shit. Do you like this one? Google Maps? This. I think I like Google Maps. Okay, there. We're going to check Arizona. There's a place in Arizona called Flagstaff and St. Georgia. Those are the places that are going to be getting snow mostly in this area. I know it is and Cedar City and all of the states among right here. This is for the future forecast, and I can't talk today either. It's just same with last night. Amazed at what I researched today. I researched about this area in this forestry. That this area actually surprisingly gets more snow than you'd think. So first what we are going to do. We are going to do make sure you see my mouse. We are going to do a inches check. An inches check means I'm going to tell you what the inches are in the states, but first let's get updated on our National Weather Service warnings and watches pattern. As you can see, this wave of winter storms is actually doing what I expected and moving up to what looks like North Dakota, and maybe even this area. I'll check.
Is the kitchen in here?
That was my mom. Sorry guys, that was my mom. Anyway, let's see what the special weather statement is. Your radar tracking strong thunderstorm capable of producing land spout along a line of extended. It says really nothing about land spouts. Are, by the way, what land spouts are, they are beach tornadoes. They're considered beach tornadoes. So what we want to know right now is, where's this snowstorm headed? This current snowstorm right now is right in the middle of North Dakota, and right there. So let's see. So let's see our future forecast right here for this area. Okay, yep, snowstorm, another strengthening snowstorm for over here. Actually, I've been wanting to check weather in Denver. See, that's just weird. I thought there would be snow because there's usually snowstorms right around this time, around there. Let's check that. And the snowstorm actually weakens by Friday. but tomorrow's weather is supposed to be snowy. Today's weather is supposed to be snowy around the states that already got snow. Hold on one sec. Okay. So we are going to now do our snowfall, where we'll get the most snowfall. So where we are looking at is Fiske National Forest, right around here. Should get a lot of snow, and we will label this off right now with a light blue for this area. So we're going to also label this area as a 3.4. So we got a 3.4 3.4 and snow. Okay, 3.4 inches of snow right there for that location. And oh wait, I'm not supposed to be doing this yet. So we're going to erase this for now. We'll write it back when the time comes. So what we need to do right now is analyze where the heck our first snowfall place will be. And we're actually going to put a point here. We're going to obviously delete that point. With there. So here's the circles are the places that could get severe snow. This area. Here. Here around this forest area. Cedar City.
You check in here? Is there a kitten in here?
No.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Close it over behind you. Getting interruptions today. Alright. So we got Cedar City, and now we have Georgia. This whole entire area is where we're doing in Arizona and Utah is where we're doing first. So this is the this is the area that's going to be most severe, that will get snow. Okay. So the big ones are the only ones who are going to get heavy snow. Okay, we connected those dots like we did in our snowfall check. And here's our way less snow. This is our not much snowfall forecast. This is the these squares are going to be the places where they don't get much snow, which isn't much snow. So these squares are not supposed to get that much snow. We're gonna connect them all with this device. So this is all where we're supposed to get. Now let's label them off. As a. By the way, this is a in the future forecast, and what I'm going to be doing right now is a future forecast right now, and then and then next up is going to be our and next up is going to be our inches forecast, future forecast, our inches future forecast. And yes, we are going to be doing Portland, and we're going to be doing Canada and Alaska and all of that. And this is going to be maybe an hour-long video, just warning, as a future forecast. So, currently we are in snowfall, not snowfall amount, just snowfall. So we're going to put a severe snow. We are not going to put it severe. I gotta rewrite that. Yeah. Okay, so what we want to do is right here, we're going to put severe snow. Just going to make sure I'm filming. Snow. Severe snow. I'm going to put that down there. All right, and next we are going to do right here. Very. And obviously after snowfall inches is going to be our future blizzard forecast. This is our future snowstorm forecast. And here we're going to put severe snow. I didn't even write this shit. Sorry for my cuss words. Wait, I got confused. Alright, so we got severe snow, very severe snow, severe snow. So why I'm saying right around this area is supposed to be severe is because this area actually has the most rain in the season. So here's why I'm putting this here. There's going to be a lot of precip. Oh yeah, and we're also going to be doing precipitation forecast in this video as well. So very long video. Why I'm doing the severe right here for this area is because this area is actually most prone to rain, which means it gets a lot of rain. I don't know what prone means actually, so just my bad if I mispronounced it, but all I'm saying, this area usually gets a lot of precipitation and a lot of rain. And also we're going to be doing future freeze forecasts, and in this video, everything that you know is going to be in this video. So why I put this here is because there is going to be blizzards. Inevitably, there's going to be blizzards. I'm sorry, but there's going to be blizzards because of the precipitation, rainfall amount, and everything else. We need rain and warmth. The warmth is probably going to obviously come from blowing from this desert and create a high ridge, probably right around here, and it is going to be our high right here. Then our low ridge is going to be right here. Low ridge. Sorry, forgot to record. And our low ridge right around here. So I should have also labeled off this state right here, but because it can get snow, but it won't get as much as you think. It'll get like a few inches. but we'll talk about the inches part in the future video. Right now, we are talking about snowfall amounts, and our low will be right here. Our low will be right here. So this is why it's going to be so severe, because these two are going to combine, making kind of a stormy-ish area right around this area, right around here. The storm is going to then go over here, freeze right around this area which is supposed to get snow. Keep going, and then there's going to be multiple blizzards right here. That's how that's going to work. So, also all of this is going to be erased. This stuff is going to be erased after I'm done with it. Just the high. Whoops. I'll put that square back. I haven't done the squares yet, so it doesn't really matter. I hope you're enjoying the video. Hope you enjoyed the last video of the snowstorm tracker. That was full of future stuff, so you should definitely go check that one out. I do not have a link, sadly. This is just filmed right now. I don't have any editing stuff either, so don't bother to ask. And these two severe things are just basically because they always get severe snow in the winter. Utah is one of the places. The border of Arizona, this area is kind of on a mountain, so this area is obviously going to get severe snow. And the other place we want to talk about, for the squares, so we are going to put a T. We're going to get a snow. We're going to talk about snow heat for the squares now. We're going to say just snow. Very snowy? Yeah. Very very snowy. And that area is just going to be snow. Possible. Alright, so I did it. Here's why this place is going to get most of the snow is because, again, this is on a mountain. There's no other word for it, and this is also going to just be a snowy place because around here is mostly the snowy area. We'll box this area as a snowy area. Well, no, I don't need to box anything yet. Guys, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Okay, so possible snow right here because mostly this is in a desert, and I don't think you guys know this, but some deserts can get snow, and I'm talking about the Utah desert, kind of on the border of Arizona, can get snow. So, and that is about it. Let's go on to our, and also we're going to be doing an overall forecast, which means we're going to be doing everything. Okay, so you guys are going to see a blank screen for a second as I erase this stuff. Next, we are going to go on, I'm going to get the second step ready for you guys. See you in the next half of the video. I'm still filming right now. Just getting the second half of this video ready for you guys. We We are no longer doing the Arizona, by the way. We are doing the frost. By the way, the frost forecast will be a zoomed out forecast like this. It'll be like this. This is what the frost forecast is going to look like. Just kind of zoomed out for all of the states, because it's hard to do each state. The other state we're moving on to, Wyoming. Time for snowfall. And our overall snowfall forecast will be after I do Wyoming and Wisconsin and Minnesota. So Wyoming, we are going to go to Jackson. Okay, so the places that I know definitely will get snow is up here. So we will label this off as a circle for snow right there, Jackson. And also this area is going to get snow. The Rockies going to get some snow. All of this. This. And right there. So I marked off a lot of areas mostly because this is a mountain area. Where I'm marking off really is just mountain after mountain after mountain. I am very surprised. Now let us label this, and I will. Wait 1 second. 1 minute wind sound. Wait, and I will see you in the second half of the video. Wait. Alright, I'll see you in the second half of the video. We're gonna try this again. That is 3 P1s right there.
Are you still wasting time and money running your online course the old way? For years,
We are back. And now we are going to we have set up a kind of a this is going to be a different type of snowstorm areas right here. This is going to be the heavy snow and stuff like that. So I will write everything down in a second. See you later. I just wanted to let you know I am going to be telling you a lot about this after I'm done with the thing I'm doing right now. 1 second. Be right back. completed this area and it's time to start talking. Sorry for the wait. I had to type everything in. So here's why. So we are going to first start off with this part of Wyoming, Jackson Hole. Wyoming is why it's supposed to be very snowy is because of a ridge high, which means a snow high. That's when snow, mountain wind snow comes. That's what mountain wind snow is called. Long range snow. That's what the word I was looking for was. Long range snow is supposed to come in from right here, blowing over to Jackson Hole, and there's supposed to be a giant amount of probably just a winter battle zone, and you know what I'm talking about when I say winter battle zone. A snow rain/snow mix for this area. But again, this is a future forecast. We have no actual sign up of this yet. So if all you snow lovers who live in Wyoming, just be prepared for what happens right around this area, because this could be a winter battle zone. But mostly what we want to watch out for is the blowing snow that's supposed to come from right here to that area. Now, why this area is because there's a high. Of course, there always is a high, usually forming right around that area. Well, I mean a low, sorry. A low forming right around that area. And why there's a low right there is because I don't really want to get into this. So there's just a low blowing from the high, which is somewhere up here. And then this area is definitely going to be in a winter battle zone right around this area. This tiny plot area is going to definitely be in a winter battle zone because of the all of the weather that's going on between all of this and coming down to the ridge, which is probably going to be right here. This is going to be our ridge, and why that is because right here is kind of going to be a warm front. So a warm front, you already know, is just a bunch of warm air blowing in from someplace. So this warm front is going to be probably right around there. This is our future forecast for a warm front. And a warm front's gonna be coming across that area, bringing a winter battle for these mountains. Don't worry, it won't be a long winter battle. It'll probably only last a day. And then so what I'm saying is the winter battle will probably temper off and turn back into snow along that area. And as the warm front moves on to like this area, it'll bring winter battles because of the snow and stuff like that. It's very confusing. I don't want to get too confused for you guys to not understand me. So even that could have mistakenly, Anyway, so why this area is going to be very snowy, you already know it, because of that warm front. That warm front is going to probably be actually this big and wipe out most of this area, which will bring snow to this side. Snow to this side. And it's just snow to right around here. and possible blizzards around here. And winter battle zone over here. And just snow, very snowy, right for Jackson. So Jackson, you snow lovers, you get ready for this winter, because I actually know that it's going to be a snowier winter than usual, which means we get way more snow for Portland, Oregon. Let's get excited about this. Okay. So I'm going to be right back. I've got to write something down. So I wrote Winter Battle Zone right around here, because Winter Battle Zone right around here. We're not supposed to be getting very much right around this area, but we will get a lot around this area. And now for our warnings, where we want to be warned about the snow and ice. Well, mostly just snow is right in the middle of these two, because winter battle zones can cause very slippery streets and frozen stuff. And the other place we want to be warned is actually this area right around outside of the possible blizzard zone. It is right there, because that and snow area is going to have one warning, and it's just for the snow and ice that's supposed to come. And now let's delete all these. And that is about it for Wyoming. Let us move on to our second state for all of this. I still remember that we have to do another thing after this, and that is do our snow inches. So we're moving on to our next state. I'll be right back. And we are back here, and we are currently in Minnesota, a little by Nebraska. We're doing our Minnesota forecast. So here's, to get started, we're going to do our heavy snow, lake wind snow, right around where I'm doing right now. And this area, we got a lot of states. Fargo is supposed to get some. That's about it. So look at all these points that are supposed to get snow, and we gotta label these off now. So this is supposed to be, I'm gonna mark off the lake wind snow with a blue mark off. Okay, Lakeland Snow, come on. I need the Lakeland Snow. Okay. Lakeland Snow is going to be in effect for these countries right here. And that's the Lakeland Snow. Gotta erase some crap. Probably right there. Okay. Now what we need to do is, the Lakeland Snow is supposed to be only around this area, and these states that I am marking off are not supposed to get very much snow. Okay. Now for the not entertaining part, though, you guys gotta wait real quick. I gotta get everything written down, and I'll be right back. got it done. So, we've officially gotten up to 42 minutes. And I hope you enjoy or are enjoying this video. We are not done yet. So what I put here, due to the fact that these states may not get as much snow as I expected, sadly. In last video I said that there would be very severe snow around these areas. It changed. Now there's only some chances around these areas, but definitely a lot of chances around these areas. And I'll read them out to you. We got snow, snowstorms, severe snow, winter storms, and lake wind, snow, severe frost / snow, snow, possible lake wind, snow. So why I said this, Milwaukee can get lake wind, snow sometimes. It might not happen this year because of this warm front moving through, that's going to open up right here and just blow on right here. This area is just going to get snow because this isn't really going to get lake wind, snow, and then this is severe frost. I know I said that we will be doing the frost outlook. But I'm just copying what the Weather Channel, what the Future Weather Department of Transportation, that's what it's called. The Future Weather Department of Transportation, that's what it's called. And this is what they said for the future forecast. Severe frost / snow for that area. Lake wind, snow, lake wind, snow. So these two places I know will get lake wind, snow due to the fact that this is a lake wind, snow area. And on to the talk about these areas. Why I just put snow kind of is because this area, I mean, it doesn't really get snow, so we're going to actually we are now going to put the places that will get severe snow and won't get severe snow. We're going to do, hold on, this is just coming. Close the door behind you.
Are you filming?
Yeah. Go. God, I'm sorry, guys. Anyway, so the circles are going to be the non-severe, and our non-severe snow will be right here. We're going to put them next to each other so I don't cover up the labels. That's about it. So we have 3 spots right here, just this area, this area, and this area. So now we are going to get our actual fun part, warnings, out. So where we're going to put this warning is right here. Right here. There's a lot of places to put these warnings. These warnings out. Here. Here. And here. So we got all of these are because of that, and that we will talk about. Our low will be actually really big, so we're gonna have to use this tool. Our low will be, hold on, wrong thing. I'm gonna put our like air thing. Okay, this should do. Alright. Gonna label this as low. Okay. So mostly why I said that these 2 areas are gonna get lake wind snow is because of because of course our low is going to be blowing right there to right there, and from these two places, just snowstorms are going to be spreading throughout Minnesota. That's why these areas are going to get it, especially these areas are going to get it, and these areas are going to get it. All of this is going to get it, just because of this one square low. And there's also going to be some snow up in Canada, which we will not do. We are not going to do Canada's or Alaska's forecast today, but we will do it tomorrow. Canada's. And let's move on. I will be right back with us moving on. Okay, guys, we are back. Here we have our Portland thing, and sadly we are going to get to 1 hour before I knew. So we're going to get to 1 hour and something minutes, and we are not going to do our frost forecast this time. But we will be able to do our overall forecast and the rest of our snow forecast, which is just going to be Portland. So here we are going to put our severe points first of all. Right, wait, I want to see if I can find Mount Hood. Alright, our first severe snowfall will go right there. Our second point of snow will go right there. Our second one will go right here, and our third one will go on Mount Hood, and Mount Hood National Forest will get some. Salem, small amount. Astoria always gets a small amount. So these are our points for Oregon. As you can see, our snow points are in Portland, because Portland usually always gets at least some snow in the winter. Also, there's going to be this thing where I'm going to do a confidence level, and I'm not going to tell you my confidence level till the end of the video. So I hope you're excited for the confidence level. I'm getting the confidence level ready, but it's not the end of the video yet. Don't leave. So here's why. So I'm gonna label these. I will be right back, just like last time. Sorry about the darkness.
Merriam-Webster, a small amount of snow. The weatherman is forecasting light snow. Here are some pictures that match.
Sorry for the quiet. I gotta make a little more room so my computer can communicate. Possible snow. Casual snow. Alrighty, we got our forecast up. So up here for our mountains, we got mountain snow, just snow for Mount Hood, heavy snow for this area, constant winter storms for Hood River, and light snow for Salem, casual snow for Portland, because we usually just get casual snow right around that area, and possible snow. Okay, since this is only our state, I'm sorry for all you who live in other states. I'm going to label when we are going to get it, when we are going to get our snow. I will be right back. Blank screen. Early.
Here's the definition of early:
Sorry.
happening or done before the usual or expected time.
I'll let you see. So this is where all of our areas, except for this area, because this might not even get snow at all. But these are all of our areas that are going to get snow. So early December and from early December probably on. God. Wait, hold on. I need to test something out. Okay. So this is usually when we get our snow around that area, early December, and from there to like January, and then it'll start turning into rain. And then over here we got all October, so all October it's been snowing here. Heavy snow now for Mount Hood, it's snowing right now. Constant winter storms mid-December. That's usually right next to, I labeled a mountain right next to Mount Hood. And possible snow isn't going to get anything. Our state casual snow is supposed to happen in December and January and February, and Salem, December and January and February. Same goes for all. And now for our now for our warned areas that we should get. Okay, so I got our, wait 1 second, I didn't get them all. I'll just let you see for the last two. So I got our labeling done. As you can see, all of these states are now warned. So this state right now is going to be a warning, so we are going to get a lot of snow around that area. That's why. Then this state is also going to be warned. This state's going to be warned. Mount Hood, all of the mountains are probably going to be warned right in the middle because these states are all going to be warned. This is our first for our state to be warned because we are supposed to get some pretty bad snow this year. We could the future weather Department of Transportation. I read it, or we'll just say the future weather department. They say we could get about 1 to 3 feet of snow this year. You know how much that is. That's why I put a warning sign on it. Then right here at Salem, I put light snow because they usually only get light snow. With a possible snow, with a no warnings beside it, because sometimes they don't get snow at all. Sometimes they do, and if they get snow, it'll just be like 1 to 3 inches. And this area is also just kind of the same as Salem. And it is time to move on to our overall forecast, my flipping favorite part of this video. And then we end up having to end this video. So let's get on to our overall forecast. Gotta delete this. It's gonna be a lot of work, so just stay tuned. Don't leave. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a lot of work to set up. I can film it. Whatever. I'll film it. Gonna delete all of this for our state. Did a lot of stuff here. our overall forecast for that area. Working on it. Okay. Let's label these off. Okay. We're going to do our overall forecast, which is basically just going to be inches, our inches measurement. So our inches are possibly 3 feet, 2, 4 feet. Yep. All right. 3 to 4 feet. That's in total of all of the states, and then this total is 6 feet to 8 feet, and then the total for here is 1 inch to 6 feet. Alright, and total forecast for here is now 11 feet to 12 to 17 feet. This is in total, not for every single state. So all in total, feet for every single country. This is Oregon's country, 3 to 4 feet in total in all of our states, and 6. And by I mean states. I mean like you know, like our country, our country's snowfall amount put together. That's what I mean. And this thing, since the lake wind snow, is going to be 7 feet. I hope I recorded all of this. Like last video of like, I was still getting used to the camera again because 2, 4, because I haven't recorded for a really long time, and altogether for the states 1. Also, there's a lot of feet in this. 2, 23 inches. Well, finally, we are done in our overall forecast for that day, for the future. This is for this winter. Our winter forecast is our state, 3 feet to that and that and that. And why I put inches right here is because it's some of it's supposed to melt in like January, because January is actually some of these two states is rain season when they get all of their rain dumps on them. So that's why it's going to lower to 23 inches, mostly because they only get like sprinkles, and they're probably only going to get freezing rain this year. And I am so happy to be done with this. I am so tired right now. And my confidence level for today, we are about to see our confidence level, my favorite part, is currently by the way, I have to say this. If it's a 1, I'm not confident. If it's a 2, I'm kind of confident. If it's a 3, I'm maybe confident. If it's a 4, I'm definitely confident. If it's a 4, I'm confident. If it's a 5, I'm definitely confident. If it's a 6, it's a yes. If it's a 7, it's a very yes. And if it's an 8, it's going to happen. That's what happens if it's an 8. So right now we have a 7, which means definitely going to happen. Right now we have 7, mostly just because this isn't one of our casual forecasts, and my confidence level would usually be on like a 5, which means definitely confident. But right now I am at a 7, which is right above 8, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.